Some trending stocks. We have AUPH, APDN, ARTL. This is Tuesday, the 30th of September 2025, pre-market session. AUPH up 7.59%. Yesterday lost 15.83%. So it is just recovering from that plunge. And the extrapolation is saying is actually saying that it may remain weak, okay, up till today's session, and yeah, I think it is doing what it's saying now here, a modest, very fractional increase, but it seems it has done better than that. Then after that, we may see a pullback, and then we may just see an accumulative contraction and an accumulative consolidation that may improve going towards Friday, 3rd of October. No guarantee that that will be the case. Projections are saying 13.09, 13.43, 13.65. Yeah, intraday high yesterday 13.54 in the midst of the volatility that was going on. Did we cover this? It looks like something we covered yesterday for some reason. Okay, so price pressure momentums we have, even though the stock has bounced by 10%, yeah, we still have the 10 and 21 day moving averages still severely bearish. However, we have derivatives, the second derivative on the 10 period moving average and the two derivatives on the 21 period moving average all positive. The two second derivatives are robustly positive, indicating that yes, confirming or validating what you are looking at, which is a bounce, which is going on right now, a 7% gain. So the buyers are buying, but it hasn't changed the trend on the moving averages. They are still bearish. They're still negative. The amount of shares that were sold hasn't they've not been covered. Those their effect is still very much in play. Yeah, or that buying pressure just hasn't been enough, but it is currently playing out. Okay, so the projections includes 13.54. Do we have it here? 13.54. Yeah, we have something like that. Yeah, covered here. We have 13.09, 13.43, 13.65. But we can equally include, no, this is 13.65. Okay, yeah. Let's see, there may be 30, that's 13.69, 13.97. Yeah, yeah. Let's see. There's also 14.59, 15.85, 16.63. Those were in play on as of the 12th of August. Okay, let's have a look at APDN. APDN down 18.55%. Yesterday printed an intraday high of 7.15. Let's see, down 19.12%. Yeah, down seriously. Okay, let's see. APDN. Okay, yesterday it closed at $5.23, a gain of 26.33%. APD, no, APDN, yeah, APDN, yeah, 19.12%. Yeah. Okay, here we have yesterday it closed at 5.23. Where was that? Somewhere around here. 5.23 will be somewhere. Let's see where the close of the session was. Yeah, this is where it was, 5.23 or thereabout. The close just before the close of the session, where it was 5.23. Yeah, and let's see, current price is now 4.23. So it lost some of those gains. Let's see what extrapolation is saying. It's saying that the weakness will remain in place up till 8 this morning. It's in the New York Times this morning. So I think it may bounce. This is that bounce has already started to occur before ahead of time, and then may consolidate, and then the uptrend may resume again. Yeah, price pressure momentums. Let's see what we have. Sorry, upper projections. We have 3.72. We have 7.15 as well. So 3.72 is a down projection. Let's see previous projections. 4.92, 4.55, 3.94. We'll have a look and see if we had that, if there are more upper projections on maybe the 1 minute chart. So price pressure momentums. Let's see what we have. Okay, so robustly bullish. Yeah, robustly bullish. Strong trend modes on the 10 and 21 day moving average, 21 period moving averages. Nothing is negative here. It does not mean that selling pressure has not been occurring. Yeah, so it's rebounding in the midst of in yeah in a within a short term trend trend mode, within a short term strong trend mode. Yes, it's rebounding. Yeah, pivoting. Okay, so let's just quickly have a look at the 1 minute chart. We have here 7.15. It's a rejection, so it is it is an upper projection, not calculated by Fibonacci, but because it serves the same purpose. It is an objective it couldn't meet, so it is back on the list. Okay, 7.7 we have here, 7.14. What was that again? 7.15. So yeah, 7.7. It's just slightly above where it is. 7.7. Let's see, 7.63. Anything before then? No. Let's return to the. Let's have a look at the 3 minute chart to see 7.78, 7.28. Okay, let's. Okay, that's what's going on. Let's have a look at ARTL. ARTL down 21.37%. Let's see. Okay, let's see what's going on. If there's any news here. Okay, yesterday I think the company announced it's proposed on the written public offering. Let's see where we have some more news here. What's it saying? Okay, let's see whether we can confirm that. Let's see whether we can find any news. Yeah, let's see. Due to its there's some piece of news we have here. Stock is trending due to its positive first-in-human data for its non-opioid pain treatment. ART 26.16.12, sparking discussions around its potential in the multi-billion-dollar pain therapeutic market. However, the company's history of dilution and reverse splits has some traders wary, while others are in a potential short squeeze given the stock's low float. Let's see. So we're talking about its non-opioid treatment candidate. Let's see whether we can find anything. We just want to make sure it's not ARTL 13. Okay, we have ARTL 1, AR2. Okay, no, this is not it. Okay, no. So this is old news, old news. But the stock is currently trending right now, down 21.37. Yeah, yesterday gained 6.17%. So, however, the algos are saying that let's see whether we can enlarge this. It's saying that it's going to bounce. Yeah. So even though it is down, it is also recovering. It seems intraday low 4.29 in this no post yesterday. Okay, so it's still part of it all. So it's recovering some of this, recovered somewhat. So its algos are saying it's going to bounce and remain hold that strength up till the pre-market session up to tomorrow, the 1st of October. And all in all, it's saying that the trend is to the upside up till Tuesday, the 7th of October. Projections are saying 7.21, 7.93, 8.38 as of today. As of today. And let's see whether we have even higher projections. Yeah, as of the 19th of September, we had 9.58, 11.65, 12.92. Yeah, yeah, we had, as of the 2nd of September, there was 12.74, 14.36, 15.36. Yeah, low float stock, vulnerable to, this company always does reverse splits and so manipulation and yeah, I would say maybe not manipulation, but it's yeah, reverse splits is always dealing with short selling and distributions a lot. Yeah. So okay, so the stock is the 10 and 21 period moving averages are severely bearish in severe um, bearish modes. Yeah, severe bearish modes. However, the derivatives, especially the second derivatives, are robustly bullish, indicating that people are buying this deep, and you can clearly see that the stock bounced from the lows of 4.29, and we can clearly see here it's pivoting to the upside. Yeah, so they're buying the deep. Yeah, and the projections were mentioned. If you can replay the video they go all the way towards yeah, even 26.04. This was as of the 24th of July. Yeah, yeah. So just have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.